To make this origami heart bookmark, you will need a square sheet. For the video, I use a sheet of 15 centimeters. Start by folding the sheet in half, like this. Unfold, then fold the bottom corners to the central fold. Turn the sheet over. Now fold the sides towards the central fold by folding only up to this place. Do the same on the other side, like this. Now fold the top corners towards the central fold to mark the diagonal. But once again, only fold up to this crease. Do the same on this side. Now fold these two diagonals. Like this, by only marking the crease up to this intersection. Do the same in the other direction. Unfold, then turn the sheet over. Now fold the top edge up to these two intersections. Mark the fold only in the middle, like this. Now fold the model according to the folds you just created. By pitching here and here. To form a white square on the front. And flatten it like this. Now lift the first point to lower the layer of the top, like this, and flatten the sides to make triangles here. Now open this pocket and bring up this layer and flatten it like this. Now fold these triangles back to block the model. And fold this square in half. Do the same on this side. Then fold this point backwards to round the top of the heart. And voila, your heart-shaped bookmark is finished. Now you can use it by inserting the corner of a page in this sleeve like this.